Age calculation application. Guys, I have found so many people who used to say that it's very difficult to design such application, but today you will see that how simple it is, and you can add extra features also, such as you can display your zodiac sign when you will be entering your date of birth. So stay connected with us and watch our video till end. Okay, so we'll start with a new project. First we'll drop down these layouts there to put our date picker and our labels, our buttons, and we'll set the parameters. Apart from age calculation, we will also display zodiac sign. So this information will help us in programming our application. So this is the information, this is the band which will be defining our zodiac sign. And I am going to use these 12 images for displaying the zodiac sign. So you can see here on the screen that these are images for different zodiac signs, and I'll call them whenever required. And finally we'll complete the design part after uploading these images there in upload file. So we'll click on upload file and we'll upload one by one all the files there in this area. Okay, now let's code this application. So first we'll start with date of birth, date picker, and we'll write instruction here for displaying the date, and we'll write instruction to display the zodiac sign. So first I'm writing the instruction to display my picked date of birth. Then we'll write instruction to display our zodiac sign, and we have 12 months, and I have shown you chart that how 12 different zodiac sign relates with our date of birth. The same condition, the same chart we'll use to write these instructions. So these are the instructions. Take a look of these instructions here. Our next step is to write instruction for as on date, date picker. So we are going to display the picked date as on date by writing this instruction. So now let's take a look on this instruction carefully. Now let's write the instructions to calculate our age, and this part is very important. So this image is there which is showing 12 months and their days, number of days. This will help us in writing our code, and this image is showing 4 different cases there, and you can see there in the chart that based on these cases we'll be writing our instructions. So now let's take a look on the instruction that how we will be going to write these instructions there. So first we'll take a calculate button. So whenever there will be any click on the calculate button, on that response we will be going to execute these instructions. Okay guys, so I have written instructions for first 2 cases. So this is the first case, this is the second case, and I was writing instruction for the third case. And you can see here in the chart that in the third days we need to add extra days here if the day is less than the day of the birth date. So in this situation we have taken this condition and we'll be adding extra days here. but you can see here that we cannot directly take extra days, because every month you can see here that January is of 31, February is 28 or 29, and leap year or non-leap year, different conditions are there. So we need to pick the days based on the selected month and based on the leap year on non-leap year. So for that I'm going to write instruction for that, and I have initialized one global variable and I have named it extra days. So let's start writing code for this. We'll start writing code in this area under this as on date picker, and we'll use a logic to pick the days, the exact number of days for, let's say, if February month is there, if it is leap year or non-leap year, if it is 30 days month, if it's 31 days month. So all the conditions we'll consider here, and we'll put instructions accordingly in this area. So we have calculated extra days. So we'll add this extra days variable here in the third case, which we were writing under calculate button, and we'll finish this fourth case also, the fourth condition, by writing instruction over here. So like this we'll calculate the age also. We have written all the instructions for calculating our age. Now it's time to connect this with our MIT App Inventor app. So you need to connect it there with AI Companion. So you can see there on the screen that I am now going to connect it with my AI Companion. I have shared my screen, you can see, and now the application is started. Now we'll enter the date of birth, and I am entering a dummy date of birth 30th May 2009. So we'll see that what will be the zodiac sign, and once you will enter the date of birth, automatically your zodiac sign will display on the screen. So let's see what will be the zodiac sign, and it's Gemini. And for calculating your age, you enter the as on date, and the age you can see here is 11 years 7 months 15 days. You can verify it if you want to. So this is all about this age calculating application. I appreciate you all because you have watched our videos till end, and I request you to please subscribe our channel, because we will be uploading more videos related to STEM education, STEM learning, block programming and visual programming. So please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.